Angeline, good morning. Thank you for joining me here at 6 o'clock in the morning at Western Circus, Barratt London's best connected development.
Good morning to you, Joe. I'm really excited to be here and thank you for having me. And I wanted to speak to you about the development. Would you be able to tell the viewers a little bit about your working experience with Barratt London?
Absolutely. So I'm the senior sales manager that look after the developments located in West London. I've been with the company for 8 years and I've sold and managed developments across West London in zones 1 to 6, dealing with many regeneration schemes such as Western Circus.
We are actually here standing on the 17th floor at the Soleil Apartment facing towards central London. So it's a pleasure to see the sun rising over the city.
Absolutely.
And it really shows the close proximity of this development to central London. Would you be able to tell a little bit more about the location of this development?
Currently, we're located a 5-minute walk from East Acton Station, which is on the Central Line. This will get you into central London in 18 minutes with very, very regular trains. But going forward, we're going to be within 1 mile from the Old Oak Common and Park Royal Regeneration Scheme. So this regeneration scheme will have many benefits, but one of the largest benefits of that is going to be the Old Oak Common station, which will be the best connected transport station in the UK, delivering services on HS2, Crossrail, as well as National Rail. These services will get you into central London in minutes, but also up and down the country to Manchester in less than an hour. These transport times, north and south, are completely unheard of and are going to be the key to unlocking value in Acton.
Wow, that's awesome. So, would you be able to touch a little bit about regeneration and tell us more about the plan for the local area?
Absolutely. So, as I mentioned before, we're less than a mile from the Old Oak Common and Park Royal Regeneration Scheme. Now, this is the UK's largest regeneration scheme currently and is similar in size to the Nine Elms regeneration and the Stratford regeneration that we've seen over the last 10 years in London. Now, the scheme's going to deliver 65,000 new jobs, not to mention over 25,000 new homes and this new transport hub at Old Oak Common Station. These things will completely transform the area and will have a massive impact on value.
Wow, this is good news, not just for the investors, but for the owner-occupier as well.
Absolutely.
So Joe, would you be able to tell us about the life and in and around the development?
So firstly, Barratt London are delivering a supermarket on the ground floor of the development, which will provide an element of convenience for the consumers here. In addition to this, we're located a 5-minute walk from Acton Park. At Acton Park, you've got David Lloyd Rackets Club, which delivers tennis facilities as well as a state-of-the-art gym and a club for all of the members. As well as that, a short walk from the development in East Acton, there's a range of cafes and coffee shops for young professionals on their way to work to grab their morning coffee.
You're about to release an exclusive Skyline collection of apartments in this development. Tell us more about that.
This is why we're here located on the 17th floor, and you can just see how fantastic the views are and how beautiful it is to watch the sunrise over central London. Now, the Soleil Apartments are a hand-picked group of apartments with more superior aspect and more superior specification on the higher floors of the Soleil Apartments. Now, these apartments will offer investors massive potential in terms of growth because, quite frankly, this view is never going to change and there's always going to be demand for properties with views. And that goes for both future purchasers and tenants alike.
Are they finished to the highest quality?
Absolutely. So firstly, I've mentioned about the build team here, who are award-winning and renowned for their build quality. But in terms of specification, we're delivering high specification flooring, German manufactured kitchens, as well as high specification bathrooms. Therefore, these offer really a turnkey solution for any investor looking to purchase here.
So what yields can the investors expect in the Skyline collection?
So the yields at Western Circus and within the Skyline collection will be circa 4%. But as I mentioned before, there's huge potential for capital growth. In addition to that, the rental yields are forecast to grow by 20% over the next 5 years, and especially with schemes like the Old Oak Common and Park Royal Regeneration, that is going to unlock the door to many more tenants looking to rent somewhere very, very close to a transport hub.
Yes, this seems like a fantastic choice of location for both investors as well as buyers.
Absolutely.